Hi everyone. So today we're going to get started with the first drawing exercise. I want to talk a little bit about this class. So this class is called Basic Design. The reason it's called Basic Design is that we are going to be going through the elements and principles of design and talking about how you can incorporate them to make your art more successful. So we talked about the elements and principles of design and exploratory art, but we're going to dive into each one a little more intensely in this class. So we're going to be starting with line first. So you're going to be doing a drawing that uses an expressive type of line. So again, we talked about this in exploratory art. You did your drawing, your expressive line drawing of your shoe. So this is going to be a lot like that, except this time instead of me telling you you have to draw your shoe, you're going to be able to draw anything you want using expressive lines. So remember, there's a couple different ways that you can work with expressive line. The first is think of the way that you normally draw something. I would call this your normal line. Normal pressure, normal thickness. It's just, if I told you to do a line drawing of something, this is how you would just normally draw it. So that's one way you can use line. But think of all the other ways that you can use your pencil, or if you're going to use another material like paint, or if you were doing this digitally, how you could use different brushes or different effects to create different marks. So mark making is really important when we talk about line. So I can take this chalk and I can turn it on its side. I can do really thick, I can do really super thin and light. I could do really dark, it's kind of hard with the chalk. I could do very back and forth. And then I'm sure that if you really wanted to think about it and brainstorm, you could probably come up with even more ways that you could manipulate the material that you're using to draw with to create different effects. The other thing that you can do is you can change the type of line that you use. So this could be a type of line. 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 So what you're going to do is you're going to do a drawing of anything that you want, but in this drawing I want you to show an expressive use of line, and there's lots of different ways that you could do this. As you're working on this drawing, and every drawing that we do in this class, I really want you to be thinking about your composition. Remember, composition is how an artist chooses to look at either the object that they're drawing or how they choose to place what they're drawing. If you're making it up from your head, how you choose to place either what you're drawing or the object that you're looking at that you're drawing onto your page. You want to draw big, you want to try and fill up the whole surface, you want to try and make it so that parts of your object go off the page on several different sides, and you want to try and create the most interesting artistic design that you possibly can. So I'm excited to see what you guys create. Dust off those sketchbooks and those pencils, and let's get to it and have some fun. Talk to you next time.